Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how to transfer USDT from Kucoin to Bitget application. Before we get into it, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more crypto related videos. First thing you need to do is to simply open your Kucoin application. Once you have logged into your Kucoin account, after that you need to simply tap on the Assets tab at the bottom right corner. Now click on the Funding at the top and click on the Withdraw button. After that, here from this list of cryptocurrencies, in this search bar you have to simply search for USDT and select Ether. Now once you landed on this withdrawing page, here you will need to paste the withdrawing details such as wallet address, the network and the amount of USDT you are transferring into your Bitget application. After that, in order to get the wallet address, simply minimize your Kucoin and open your Bitget account. Once you have logged into your Bitget account, after that simply tap on the Assets tab at the bottom right corner and click on Deposit here. Now click on Deposit Crypto. Now from this list of cryptocurrencies, in the search bar search for USDT and select Ether. Now here you need to select a network, so I'm selecting here Binance Smart Chain. You can select any network according to your requirement, but always make sure to select same network on both sides or you will lose your funds. Now click on Binance Smart Chain. Now here you can see your Binance Smart Chain wallet address along with the QR code. Copy this address and after copying, reopen your Kucoin. After that, paste this address in the wallet address bar and click on network and select Binance Smart Chain here also in order to proceed. After that, enter the amount of USDT you are transferring into your Bitget account. Once you fill all this information, click on withdraw button at the bottom right corner. It will take up to 5 to 10 minutes to transfer your USDT from Kucoin to Bitget account, and that's how you can transfer USDT from Kucoin to Bitget. If this video helped you out, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more crypto related videos.